Oh. Let's try this one. There's some little ones. You like the big ones though, huh? Oh, man. That was great.
Oh, wait, look at that one.
Is that funny, man?
Here goes. Are you going to be able to send this to Bobby?
Yeah, I'll put this on YouTube later.
Whoa! Oh, there's one. Watch. Don't you roll off from there. Want to blow it? You want to blow it?
Go.
Go like this. Mav.
He's like, nah, I just want the bubbles.
Don't you drink that.
Yeah, he will.
Oh, that one popped.
Okay, here we go. Big one, Kelly.
Maverick.
This stuff is cheap, kiddo.
Yep, dollar store.
It was $1 at Walmart.
Oh, you are right. Oh, they don't even fly. They don't float after you.
Funny videos.
Whoa! I got you. Oh,
Does that cost you money to do that?
No.
you want to blow one? You want to blow one? Oh, see, Grandma, you put the thing back in there.
Never get it out now.
Oh, it is tough to get out. Oh, he's so cute. Well, let's try the pinky. Oh, there we go. That's the trick. That one covered my entire face.
Pinky.
Oh, he's got it all over his hand. Don't let him stick it in his mouth.
No. No. Icky. Oh, okay. Well. Yeah.
Do tell. And you
One
tried
more?
to-
One more? We're all good?
One more.
One more big one. We'll do one more big one. Okay, all done. We're all done.
Can you find the lid?
That was just the best time I ever had with Maverick.
That was hilarious.
It's the best time I ever had with you. Hearing you laugh.
Yeah, they're going to get you one of the big bubble ones.